Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the TV's physical controls. Most LG sets have a joystick or row of buttons under the panel or on the back. Once found, power the TV on and observe the LED or screen to confirm input. Press the center /OK or menu button. Many models use a short press for input and a long press to open the on-screen quick menu. Do this now so you can access picture controls without a remote and proceed directly into settings. Once the quick menu or main menu is visible, navigate using the joystick. Push left/right to move between items and up/down to tweak values. Press to select. Go to picture settings, then choose brightness or backlight. If available, also check contrast and local dimming or eco. Adjust in small increments, 1 to 5 steps, while watching a familiar scene so you can judge midtones and highlight detail. Make sure to toggle any motion or dynamic settings off so brightness changes appear consistent. Finish by exiting menus. Many LG TVs auto-save, but press OK or exit if prompted to confirm changes. If you need finer control, connect via the LG ThinQ app on the same Wi-Fi network or use a compatible universal remote, then repeat picture adjustments. If the TV won't respond or settings reset, power cycle it and clean the ambient light sensor area. Make sure firmware is current. If problems persist, try a factory reset or contact support as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.